Hello everyone, my name is Ozan. I'm 12 years old. I live in Bobby. Today I will explain some words in lesson 7, clouds and rain, and this lesson is in science too. The first we have cycle. Cycle is a series of events being repeated many times. Evaporate. Evaporate means to change from water to water vapor. Next is condense. Condense means to change from water vapor to water drops. What is drop? Drop is a small amount of water. For example, after washing your hair, if your hands, if you don't dry your hands and do like this, the water will comes down your fingers and and step by step and each the water called called a drop, a water drop. The fifth, we have water vapor. Water vapor goes up into the air as a gas. The example of water vapor is a cloud. A cloud is a lot of water vapor comes together. Okay, the example of all of this work. Do you know the water cycle? Um, when the weather is too hot, very, very hot, the water in the river will comes up and becomes a water vapor, and the water vapor will become a cloud, and when the cloud is too heavy because of the water, the cloud will make rain, and it's condensed. It when it's rain, it's condensed. It's rain, and after raining, mm, the water that have rained comes comes down the river, and the river will like flows to the sea or the ocean, and like that and repeat again. Okay, that's it. Goodbye everyone. See you next time. Sorry for some mistake.